I'm hearing some sweet music to my ears this evening. No, not that. Listen again.
We have had engineers from the SDF along with BSW visiting 4 to 6 tracks across Jamaica, and we have received a report on those tracks and the possibility of developing those facilities. And some may not be as practical at this time, and there are some challenges in terms of the clay in some locations, but coming out of those visits and the reports I've received, we have identified 2 possibilities.
Oh, finally! Long time the Maverick been begging the government to get those basic fundamentals in place. A running track is what I call a bare essential of proper athletics development. And this kind of investment will go a far way in continuing to capture the abundance of Jamaican athletics talent and prolong our legacy and relevance in the sport. And with all due respect to Calabar and Kingston College and now Jamaica College, who have built their own facilities, but those are 3 Kingston-based high schools and not Jamaica. The only problem is that we've seen and heard many plans and promises before, and them not come to nothing. But I suppose a start is a start. And we as a minister, drop the big tune again.
We have identified 2 possibilities. We have identified 2 possibilities. We have identified 2 possibilities. We have identified 2 possibilities.
Big tune, minister, big tune.